Hey everyone, welcome to day one of our 7 days of coding with Next.js challenge. I'm Muhammad Jibran Rehan, and I'm excited to kick things off with you today. If you're new here, we're going to build a full project step by step over the next 7 days using Next.js, one of the most powerful web development frameworks built on top of React. Today we're going to set up a Next.js project, understand the file structure, create our first pages, home and about, and learn how routing works in Next.js. By the end of this video, you'll have installed Next.js, understood the folder structure, created a home and about page, and learned basic routing with the app router. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, let's create our Next.js project. Open your terminal and run npx create next app at latest Next.js challenge app. The app flag enables the app router, which is the modern way to build with Next.js. Once it's done, go into the folder. cd Next.js-challenge, npm run dev. That starts your local development server at http:/localhost 3000. Let's take a quick tour of what we just created. The app/folder is where all our pages live now. Page.tsx inside app/ is our home page. Layout.tsx is the global layout, where you can add a navbar or footer. Public/ is for static assets like images. Styles/ contains global styles. It's clean, organized, and follows a convention over configuration model. Let's create a new page called About. Inside the app/ folder, create a new folder called About. Inside that folder, create a file page.tsx. Paste in the following code. Export default function about page. Return.